Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learning Accounts with Veena. In today's video, I will explain you very important adjustment relating to bad debts and provision on debtors in a very simple way so that you may not have any confusion regarding this. Today's topic is treatment of bad debts, provision on debtors and discount on debtors in financial statements with adjustments. Okay. Number 1 is when old provision is less than the total of bad debts and new provision. I will explain this case in question number 1. And number 2 is when old provision exceeds the total of bad debts and new provisions. I will explain this case in question number 2. Question is, extract of trial balance is given as at 31st March 2020. Extract means some of the informations are given only. Bad debts are 3,600. Provision for bad and doubtful debts as on 1st April 2019 is 7,500 and sundry debtors are 2 lakh. Adjustments are right of further bad debts 2,000 and provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5% on sundry debtors. And third point is create a provision for discount on debtors at 3%. Debtors are given. Sundry debtors are 2 lakh. Done at 2 places. The first step is to take bad debts. If it is 1,98,000, okay, less new provision. New provision is this one given in adjustment. Provision on debtors. This is 5% is to be calculated on 1,98,000. Remember this thing. Only on good debtors. These are good debtors. So it is 9,900. 1,88,100. Okay. Next, third step is to calculate discount on debtors. Are 3%. So 3% is to be calculated on 1,88,100. That is 5,643. Okay. Final figure you have to show in outer column. There is no need to total these because only some informations relating to debtors are given. So that's why I have written extract of balance sheet. Okay. Now you have to account like this. In trial balance, bad debts are given as 3,600. These are old bad debts. Add further bad debts. Further bad debts means new bad debts. New bad debts is 2,000 and add new provision. New provision is also you have calculated just now. This is 9,900. The total is 15,500. Okay. Now less in this case. Old provision given in trial balance is 7,500. This is less than 15,500. So you have to deduct it here only. Old provision. 7,500. And in outer column you have to show 8,000. Okay. Then discount on debtors is always shown separately. Discount. Next question is extract of trial balance as at 31st March 2017 is given debtors 80,000, bad debts 2000 and provision for bad debts is 5000. Okay, adjustment is further bad debts 500, provision on debtors is 3% and 1% discount on debtors. Let me start. This first you have to calculate in balance sheet as I have told you earlier. Then it is easy to put all figures in profit and loss account. So debtors are given as 80,000 less further bad debts. Again, first step is to take further bad debts. 500. This is 79,500. Then less new provision. On debtors. This is 3%. 3% of 79,500 you have to calculate it. This is 2385. Okay. Next step is to find out discount on debtors. Discount on debtors. 1% of this 77,115. This is 771. 76344. Okay. Now come to profit and loss account. In profit and loss account, old provision is less than new total of this, then you have to write it here. But in this case, old provision is 5,000, but bad debts, this bad debts plus this bad debts, and this is less than 5,000. So in this case, old provision exceeds total of this. So you have to write provision for bad and doubtful debts. Bad debts, old one is 5,000. Okay. Then you have to deduct less bad debts. Total bad debts is how much? Old bad debts is 2,000 and further bad debts is 500. The total of this is 2,500 less new provision. New provision is how much? This one, 2385. 2385. This is 115. Okay. There is discount on debtors also. Discount on debtors, you have to write it here. Discount on debtors is always written separately. Okay, this is 771. In this way, this is the full concept of bad debts provision and discount on debtors. This is very important adjustment from the point